Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga with Pragati. I know you must be wondering what am I doing on a chair and where's my yoga mat. But today's video will focus on some poses that you can do sitting on a chair while you are in your office or you are working from home and release the stress from your body. So let's get started. The first pose that we do is a gentle spinal twist. For this one, we take our left hand up and place it on the outside of the right knee. Take the right hand and place it by the side of your hip and slowly breathe in, breathe out and twist through your chest. Make sure that you twist through the chest, through the thoracic spine and not through the neck. So you twist and look in line with your neck remains in line with your spine. We stay here for 5 long and deep breaths. And then slowly breathe in, come back to the center, and then we change sides. Inhale, take your right hand up. Exhale, place it on top of the left knee. Inhale, lift your chest up. Place your left hand by the side of your hip and exhale and twist. Make sure that your chest twists. You twist at the thoracic spine and not the neck. Keep your neck in line with your spine, keep twisting and breathe here. Stay here for 5 long and deep breaths. Breathe. Keep breathing nice, long and deep. And slowly come back to the center and release. This was the first pose that we did. It is a spinal twist. Now we'll do gentle stretching of the legs. So for this, what you do is you place your hands by the side of your body and slowly lift one leg up and down. Keeping your spine straight up and down. You can do this 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, as many times as it works with you. Then you can hold it here for 5 breaths. Keep breathing nice, long and deep and slowly come back down. And you can repeat the same thing on the other side. 5 times, take it up and down, up and down. Enjoy the strengthening of the quadriceps. Up and down, up and down, release. Now we'll do some ankle rotations. You can slowly lengthen your legs forward and do some ankle rotations. These will release the stress from your ankles due to long hours of sitting and not moving, and you can do it in the other direction as well. Do nice circles. Good. And relax. Now we'll do a gentle stretch for the spine. Yes? For this, I'll show it to you with 2 different angles. The first angle is this. From here, you can inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, lengthen your spine down. Catch hold of your ankles from the outside and relax your neck. Surrender your head. And you breathe here. Keep breathing nice, long and deep. And you can also look at it from a different angle and move the chair. Yes, see? And from here, I sit on the chair. I inhale, take my arms up and exhale and lengthen the spine. And I catch hold of my ankles and surrender the head. And breathe here. You can even lift your spine, lift your heels off the floor. You can even lift your heels off the floor and put them down. To get some blood circulating in your legs. And slowly come up. The next one that we do would be a stretch for the glutes. So you take your right leg and put it on top of the left leg. Sit up tall and straight. Keep your core engaged. Slowly inhale, take your arms up. Yes. Exhale and lengthen your spine forward and go all the way down as low as you can. And breathe here. Feel the stretch and breathe deep into your stretch. Stay here for 5 breaths, or you can even stay here for 10 breaths if and what works with you. and then slowly inhale, come up. And we also add a twist to this. So I take my left hand, I place it on the right knee, and I take my right hand and I place it behind. So you can put it on the chair, on top of the chair, by the side of the chair, or in the hand of the chair, whatever works with you. And then slowly breathe in, lift your chest up, breathe out and twist. Again, try not to twist through your neck, twist through your chest and let your neck follow it. Stay here for 5 long and deep breaths. And slowly come back to the center, and we'll repeat this, the same thing on the other side. So I put my right leg down, I take my left leg up and place it on the right knee. And I inhale, take my arms up, and I exhale and fold forward and I go all the way down. You can stay here in this stretch for as long as you want, for 5 breaths, for 10 breaths, for 15 breaths. And once you're done, slowly come up and then we'll twist again. You take your right hand, place it on the left knee, place your right hand wherever you find space on the chair and twist. Keep breathing nice, long and deep here. Stay here for 5 long and deep breaths. And then slowly come back to the center. Yes, works. Now let's get to the next posture. So you get up from the chair. Turn towards the chair, take your hands up. Exhale, place your hands on top of the chair. Walk your legs back and stretch. You'll feel a nice stretch in the shoulders and in the back of your legs. So stretch nicely. This will open up the shoulders from constant slouching and working on the laptop or your computer. Keep breathing and keep breathing out. You can stay here for as long as you want and slowly come up. So these are the few poses that you can do with your chair. These will work on stretching of the legs, circulation of blood in the legs. These will work on twisting of the spine, again circulation and movement of the spine. And the last one will work on opening up of the shoulders. That helps in relieving the constant rounding of the shoulders because of working on the laptop. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll post another video where I'll be posting some workouts that you can do with the chair. Till then, keep practicing and keep sharing. Thank you.